Look at this beautiful pallu, like coming on a heavy zari base, and look at the border, like coming with a heavy border and organza fabric. This is called organza fabric. Look, it is very versatile fabric, like you can use this on a lots of occasion, lots of color chart varieties you can keep in this particular kind of sari. It is very heavy sari. Now we can say this is a bridal pattu sari. Now why bridal pattu? Because this is particular in a green color, but we have lots of color varieties and charts inside it. Let me just show you the color chart first. This is the color chart. Isn't this attractive, friends? Like all colors are running colors, very attractive and designed. And if I talk about the fabric, so fabric is also very good, like coming a very heavy fabric, which usually goes in a bridal pattu sari or kanchi pattu sari. Very heavy and elegant sari. Let me just show you the blouse piece. So coming with a contrast blouse piece, and color is very attractive. Hello my dear friends, this is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan and welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. Yes friends, Ajmera Fashion is a firm who is a manufacturer of clothes and who is providing all of these things to a retailer. That's why it is a plus point for those people who want to start their business, a cloth business, and they are finding a place where they can get everything in one roof from a manufacturer. So you should come here at least once. So what is today's video about? Today's video is all about our traditional Kanchi Pattu silk sari. Yes friends, we have thousands of varieties in a Kanchi Pattu silk sari, but I have chosen some random samples for all of you. So please keep watching this video. And let's move forward and see the first sample of our today's video. And that is going to be this very elegant, as I told you, today we are watching a Kanchi Pattu sari. This is going to be in a black color, combination of black, red and golden zari, coming with the very intricate patterns and design and colors too. Look at here. Let's see the motifs first. This is a different motif, inside that there is a different motif, and except that if we will move to the body, so this body is going to be different. Let's see the color chart. So this is just a single piece look. I hope you are getting exactly which kind of look is it. And let's see the all color chart. So this is going to be all colors. This is a set of 6 pieces, so you will get 6 colors different and 6 patterns same. Now why pattern same? Because there are lots of customer who likes the design, but they have a question that they want to see more color chart in that. So that's how we maintain a catalog, and in one catalog you will get the color varieties too. Let's move forward and see the next Kanchi Pattu sari, and that is going to be on a stone work. Now we have seen a simple saris which had a zari woven border and jacquard border or weaving kind of work, but this is going to be multi work. Let me show you which kind of multi work it has. First thing, oh, this is called charak. So let's keep it aside, and this is the pattern. Now as I told you, what is the different on in this particular sari? Just an example, it has this zari weaving border, zari woven border, just like this. This is also even woven border, and inside that you will get the very intricate motifs. These are very intricate and small elegant motifs, and except that it has a stone work. Yes friends, as you can see in the pallu part, it has a stone work, and same stone work you will get in a border side. Let's just see the border. Isn't this very attractive? And you can see the inside, it has a floral kind of motifs and design. So we have thousands of designs, varieties and color chart in all kind of saris. Now today we are just watching this Kanchi Pattu sari, but except that we have lots of varieties just like saris, kurtis, dress materials, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, lehenga, nighty, and lots of varieties. So friends, it's not possible for all of us to show everything in just one video. So that what I do regular videos for all of you on a regular basis, except that I do lots of live videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. So if you want to see more collection like which I am not able to show in just one video, so you can check our live sessions too. Those live sessions are very useful for those who want to start business, who want knowledge about business, they don't have any idea, so they can check our live sessions. So let's move forward and see this next Kanchi Pattu sari. It is very heavy sari. Now we can say this is a bridal pattu sari. Now why bridal pattu? Because this is particular in a green color, but we have lots of color varieties and charts inside it. Let me just show you the color chart first. This is the color chart. Isn't this attractive, friends? Like all colors are running colors, very attractive and designed. And if I talk about the fabric, so fabric is also very good, like coming a very heavy fabric, which usually goes in a bridal pattu sari or kanchi pattu sari. Very heavy and elegant sari. Let me just show you the blouse piece. So coming with a contrast blouse piece, and color is very attractive, like unique color you are getting here. Isn't this very beautiful and attractive? And one more thing I want to show you here, that is the which kind of pleats you will get here. Just make some pleats. Oh, it will take time to take pleats because I don't have much idea. I don't have practice to take a pleats, but I'll try my best. So these are the pleats I'm making. So what you can see, some other silk they are like flory silk, but this particular is not a flory silk. You can see this kind of pleats. I have not taken a good pleats. I am very bad at it, but I hope you are getting my point. Look, so it is a soft silk. As I told you, this is a soft silk which is great for pleats. I am very bad trapper, but I hope you are getting it. You can see here, it is not that fluffy kind of silk. It is very soft silk. That's why this sari goes in every kind of occasions. And as I told you, this is a kanchi pattu sari which female loves to wear on every occasion. That can be a festival, that can be a marriage season or anything else. So this is something very attractive pattern I've show you right now. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, which is a kind of on a kora fabric, kanchi pattu. Look at this beautiful pallu, like coming on a heavy zari base, and look at the border, like coming with a heavy border and organza fabric. This is called organza fabric. Look, it is very versatile fabric, like you can use this on a lots of occasion, lots of color chart varieties you can keep in this particular kind of sari. Friend, one thing I want to inform that you are not able to purchase single piece. You have to purchase everything in a wholesale, in a bunch. So friends, let's move forward and see the next pattern. And this next pattern is going to be a very soft silk. Wow. It is also a kanchi pattu sari. As I told you, today we are watching all kanchi pattu saris. So this is whole kanchi pattu. This is also very soft silk. Look, like very soft silk. This is also. You can see the pleats here. Like I am making the pleats randomly, and these pleats are like sitting very properly. I hope you are getting it. These pleats are sitting very properly. The same thing customer loves to wear, like that sari, that fabric should be fit on every kind of Indian body type. So this is something all kind of Indian body type female will love to wear. So if you want to start your own boutique, so you can keep this kind of things, or else if you want to start your shop, your wholesale shop, that can also you can do, or else you want to start this cloth business from your home itself, so also you can join us. For more details, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen, just call or message there. Further information our online sales executive will provide you. Friends, we have thousands of varieties and patterns, but it's not possible to show everything in just one video. And one more thing, we will never disclose the price of this kind of beautiful products, because if we will disclose the price, that will be problem for you to add your margin. So friends, this was our video on traditional silk sari, kanchi pattu silk sari. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.